Rightio. So we are here at Dan Murphy's in Gungahlin. We have a very large walk-in refrigerator right here. We have Kirby evaporators. Here's one right here. This is right there, Kirby. You have the refrigerated injectors right there. So apparently it's not water that they use, some sort of refrigerant. Of course, you have the drainage pipe right here. Got the fan motors right here. Of course, coil in the back. Yep, there it is. And there's another set on the other side. This one's also a Kirby evaporator. Here's a good look at it. So 3 fans. Yet again we have the coolant injector right there, and of course the drainage pipe. So yeah, it's a nice, very nice large walk-in refrigerator. So yeah, I like it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next episode. Goodbye.